The market just opened right now, like 3 minutes ago. So yeah, obviously you're not gonna understand like everything from like one video call. But I'm gonna explain as I go. But just let me know if you have any questions type shit. Right now, I think that the market is going to go down. So that's me having a bearish bias. Um, you want to start in a higher time frame to see the chart in the bigger picture, because the higher time frames are the strongest um, time frame, because they're like the bigger picture when you see the market. And once you go down to the lower time frame, you're seeing the inside, the smaller picture. So from the higher time frame, it's telling me that the market is bearish, which means that I want to see the market go down for right now. But another thing about trading, that you have to really be patient about it. You have to find your strategy, and then you have to wait until you see your strategy in the market. Because right now, I know like you looking at the charts, you seeing like mad lines and shit, mad candles and shit. But when I'm looking at it, it's like it's all telling me a story. So now we just gotta wait. So I usually do this until like I take a trade, or if I don't find a trade, I just close my computer. But I usually stay here until like 11:30. So yeah, as you go in each time frames, each candlestick is the time frame. So this whole candlestick was 1 minute long. So each of these candlesticks was 1 minute. As you go up, this candlestick was 3 minute long. This was 5 minute long, and then this was 15 minute long. As you keep going up. I like you want to add two more. I'm trading Nasdaq. It was gonna have to wait for time and price online. I look want to add one more contract. I'm gonna add one more contract. Damn, that shit's loud as fuck. Yeah, bro. So you really gotta have like mad patience for this shit, bro. Yeah. Put my stuff. Time and price is looking good right now. It's 950. The 950 macro. Okay, come on. That word. But yeah, but you can't. Oh yeah. Come on. I'm up 100. That's what I'm saying. This nigga. Come on. You gotta just go like 63 points. Alright, I'm up 115. How much am I risking? Let me calculate how much I'm risking. Let me put that shit there. 3. Let me see how much I'm risking. Oh shit. You can still hear me? I bet. Alright, I'm risking 180 to make 3 times 2 to make 378. Yeah, I risk 180 to potentially make I forget what I just said, 378. Okay, now I put my trade at break even, which means that if price comes back up here, I'm not losing any profits. But I'm up 234. Come on, my nigga, you got a little bit more. That's 10 a.m. right now. But yeah, I like that close. Come on, just drop a little bit more. Oh, that shit working out here, low key. Okay, see, a reversal. Okay, so if this comes back here, then I get stopped out, but I don't lose any money. Bitcoin going crazy right now. It says at 91K. I said Bitcoin going crazy right now. But we almost. I low key wanna like hold this shit till down here. So what? I am. I might regret it, but the thing is, like, I don't really care because my trade is at break even. So even if it comes back here, I'm not losing no profits. But yeah, that's what I'm saying. I can maximize. Oh yeah, I like that. I'm up 300 right now. Come on, you're almost there, bro. Just keep dropping. I might regret this because right now I would have been out this trade. But fuck it, we're gonna hold that shit. That's what I'm saying. We almost there though. I'm up 400 right now. I'm about to move my stop lower though. Like right here. Damn. Yeah, shit almost about to damn. If this shit hit right here, I'm making like 500 something. It's almost there though. Shit, come on, just keep fucking trying. Yo, that shit is right there. No, dude, not, come on, bro. Come on, bro. Nah, fuck that shit, nigga. I'm putting my shit right here. I'm trilling this shit. Come on, nigga. Come on, nigga. Come on, nigga. Bro, you right there. I got stopped out. But fuck it. I got stopped out like right here. Alright. That's what I'm saying, bro. Nah, this was an elite trade. Nigga, I was done at like 10 a.m., bro. 10:07, bro. So when I win a trade, I don't take any more trades until the next day. But yeah, that was a good ass. I'm done for. I'm about to withdraw this shit right now, and I'm about to just go to sleep on some shit. I bet. Safety.